Good morning. Hi, anyone there? Good morning. Hello, can you hear me? I have presented my screen. Please let me know if it's visible. Okay, we shall wait 5 minutes for others to join. So do you remember our last lecture? Yes, anyone? Do you have any idea of our last lecture? What did we cover at the last? Okay. Okay, Samek, let me check. Otherwise, I'll send it on the email. Right? And I think, okay, Julie joined. How many more are left to join? Can you please check? I think you all have a WhatsApp group, right? So can you please check? Shida is here. Okay. Please check how many are yet to join. We'll wait for him for a few minutes. I'll send it on the email. Okay, Samyak, can you give me a mail address? Because I'm not sure how to upload it on the LMS. Okay, thank you. I have sent the file. Would you send all the files again to admin and ask him to upload on the elements? Yes, I have already sent it to Gansham sir and Ayushi madam. Not today, but last week, I think. Last to last week, I've sent it. Okay, Julie? Thank you. I think anyone will come on mic and speak. Otherwise, I'll be like a radio then. Only I am speaking. Imran Sharma, Sayali, all are joining. Good. Sahil has left the meeting. Okay. I can see a lot of students joining today. It's a good day, I think. Kshitij has come. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes. In the meantime, can you check with them how many are left to join? Until then, one of you can tell me what we had covered in the last lecture. Yes, anyone? Come on the mic and speak.
Yeah, so we did basically the Clemenson one and we completed that practice file.
Okay, so you have any doubt or any other student has any doubt in it? And what did you learn from that assignment? Do you remember? Yes, some 2, 3 points we had learned from that assignment, right? Advanced filtering and sorting. Okay, what else? Pivot table and charts. Okay, which kind of chart basically? We are talking about the chart or a graph. It is opened in my screen, computer screen. If you can see, what kind of graph is it? What kind of chart is it? Clustered, but what? Bar chart, pie chart, donut chart. Yes, good. It's a stacked bar chart. Good, you remember. In case you do not remember or recollect, I think it's good you are referring the file and answering. That is also good. I have another two assignments here for you. And I also have, you know, a surprise for you today that I'll show you. See, I have few Excel games for you. These games are made using macros. Logic is there inside each game and it has been built using macros. So, would you like to have this file, Excel games, or would you like to do some assignment today? What say? Yes, Vishika is there. Yes, I was saying that I have two assignments for you, Wilson, Home, and Hamilton. And also I have couple of games for you, Excel games. These games are built using VBA. The logic is there inside the VBA program. So what is your interest today? Would you like to do the assignment or would you also like to see some game inside it? Yes, anyone? No one speaks. I don't know why. Hmm? You remember the count of our lecture today? Because right now you're on mute, correct? And the camera is off. But after a few lectures, you might need to start your cameras and present your projects. Remember? On Tuesday, I think there is a deadline for you, right? One assignment and one project, which you have to submit and present. 22nd. Then on that day, how will you do? You're not talking on the mic and not coming on the camera. No issues by the camera, but at least you must talk, right? Say A or E, or I think A or G. Yes. Okay, fine. Then let's continue with our assignment only. Practice session. I have two things here, Hamilton and Wilson, right? I'll share the file with you. I'll share with one student basically, and please share it with everyone. Okay. Samya, can I send you? And you will pass it on to everyone. Or Sabyasachi,
Yes, sir.
I send you the file and you will pass it on to everyone.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay, thanks. Oh, I think I have sent to Samyak. It's come from my QS ID. Samyak, please pass it on to others because by mistake I have sent to you. I could not notice that I was in IQS ID, so I have sent it from that ID. Okay. Please let me know when you receive the files. The structure is the same. I have sent you the raw data, then the instructions mailer, and the result file also I have sent you. But we'll try to arrive at the result. We'll do the exercise and then we'll see if the result matches with our actions, whatever we perform. And you can save these two assignments in two different folders, as I have done. Let me close Gmail for now. Okay, I'm waiting. Please confirm me once you receive the files. Any queries so far, you can come forward and ask me. Anything in Excel, anything. Okay, we'll take the attendance later. You all have received the files. Yes, from Ajay. Who else? There are 32 students over here today. Dikshit wants to join, okay? Priyanshu received, okay? Darshan, Devansh, Dashti, Gunawant, Harshida, Darshan, yes, okay? Julie, Ritesh, Mansi, Nikhil. Can you confirm how many total files you have sent? Six. I've sent two mails, basically. One is for Wilson, one is for Hamilton. So you remember our structure? It's raw data, then instruction sheet, which is the mail sheet, and result file. Oh, Julie, I think you forgot. The project and the assignment which you have to present on Tuesday is there in your classwork. Classwork or homework, maybe in one of the sections is there. Sure, I can give you the name. Just 1 second. Which one we did not do, right? It's Classic Gardens, right? We had done Clemson imaging and Classic Gardens. We will have to do just 1 page assignment, not much. Yes, Classic Gardens. So your result must be like this, as shown in the picture in the PDF. I think it's there in LMS, right? Can one of you check and let me know? I don't see no homework. I saw two links here, assignment 1 and assignment 2. Just the name. Anything else? Yes, Classic Gardens. So it is in which option is it? Is it in classwork?
It's in homework.
It might be it's in homework for you, but it's not visible in mine.
Sir, just
Visible here.
press on that view I button, sir, in the options part. Yeah.
Okay, this one. Hmm, I got it. Good then, you have received it. So your output, the result should match with the graph in the PDF. And the same you will have to present it. You will have to show me the file in the presentation. It will be 2 minutes for each student, I guess, because there are 30 students. Even you can take 3 minutes for each student. We have lot of time. Okay. You received the both profiles, Wilson and Hamilton. In that case, let's continue. I'll first start with Hamilton. Just ignore the rest. Just concentrate on the main statements. First is files needed Hamilton CC 05XLX, which is my raw data. Okay, let me take it out. Right. Then we'll follow the steps in the PDF. What skills we will learn in this particular practice session? We'll learn group F and format worksheets, create static consolidation data by category, sort consolidated data, copy a picture, breaking links in workbook, and lots of things. Dynamic data consolidation, right? What we need to do in this file, let's see. Open Hamilton file. Right, include your name. Okay, I can write my name anywhere in any sheet. I can see only 3 sheets: January, February, March. There are no hidden sheets. Group the worksheets, January worksheet tab. Okay, what do you mean by group the worksheets? Any idea? What is the meaning of group the worksheets in normal simple language? Yes. Any guess? What do you mean by grouping? Okay, I'll give you a hint. You know how to select all the worksheets? We can select all worksheets at the same time in Excel. You know, have you tried anytime?
Yes, sir, we did it last time.
Okay, that is called as grouping all the worksheets together. And when we group all the worksheets together, when we select all the worksheets together, whatever work we do in one sheet, it follows in all the sheets. It reflects in all the sheets. And when we need to do the grouping, we need to do grouping only when all the worksheets format are the same. Now, if you see the January sheet, it has data from A6, headers in the row 5, then data from A6 to E11. Right? If you see February sheet, same. Headers on the 5th line, A6 to E11, and the same number of columns. So the structure should be the same. Then only grouping will work. Otherwise, the data will be overwritten. Okay. So let's start. Group the worksheets. Click on the January sheet. Then press Shift and click the March tab. Shift and March. It's selected. Otherwise, I can do like this also. I'll click on January, right click and select all. It's one and the same. I click on one sheet, I press Shift and then last. Otherwise, right click on the sheet and select all. Or if I want to select particular sheets, then I'll click on Control. Okay, I think in Mac it is Command. We are selecting all the sheets. Then let's see what it says. Select cells A5 to F12. Click the arrow borders. Okay, I'll give some borders here to it. Give any border. If you want to give that specific border which is there in the PDF, you can do that. Otherwise, I'll give any border. Line color is there. Style is there. Okay. So I would like to focus on the functionality on the data first rather than styling and beautification and the bordering. Enter some in group worksheets. Okay. Now next, see what is the trick here. We'll just click here, white, and just press. There was one option for subtotal. It's not working here. So let's do one thing. Let's press the auto sum. See, I got the auto sum here. Right? Select F6 to F11. See, F6 to F11. I'll just maximize it for you. F6 to F11, and we got the auto sum here. Same thing. AutoSum for the columns. Just select the range and press AutoSum. It's there in the home button, home menu. AutoSum is basically total of all the numbers in the column or the row. Okay. So now my sheets are grouped. So if you see, I'll do ungroup, and if you see, AutoSum is in each and every sheet. Why? Because it was grouped. All the sheets were selected. So I changed in first sheet, it got reflected in all the sheets together. Okay. Now we have to copy the mark sheet. Okay. Tell me one thing. Are we all done with the AutoSum? Then only I will continue with the next part.
Actually, sir, I had some net issues on my side, so I missed on the group by part. Like I
Okay.
did the sum auto sum, but I missed on the group by part. Can you like briefly repeat that?
Which part? Group by?
Yeah, sir, group by.
Group by? Where is group by?
No, so you said that we need to group the sheets together.
Yeah, just right click on the sheet and select all. If you do not group the sheets, then AutoSum will be only on one sheet. Then you have to do 3 times. That is a trick, to save the time. Just right click, select all, and just do AutoSum. Otherwise, I have to do on January AutoSum, February AutoSum, March AutoSum. Just to save time,
Yes, sir, got it. Got
you
it.
select all. Yeah, thank you. Okay, Kshitij is still doing. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes. No problem. Please confirm when you are done. Any other student who has any query, just doing AutoSum and grouping the sheets. Done. Okay. Who else? Julie, Rishika, Ishika. No one there. Tushar, Dikshit, Simran, Shreya.
So today my PC is I don't know when I'm switching on, so I'm attending only from mobile and not doing it live, so I can give confirmation.
Okay, okay, okay. On mobile also, I think Google Sheet you can use, no? You can make your own data like, and you can use
Oh
Google
yes, sir.
Sheet.
I didn't think about that. I'll do that, sir.
Okay, no issue. These are the tricks, in any situation you must be able to do. That is the basic part, important part. So, are we all done with the auto sum and the grouping of the sheets? Shall I continue? Or anyone wants me to wait more? Okay, let's continue then with the next step. Currently, the sheets are not selected. Okay, let's continue with the next step. The next step is, I think, step number 6. Copy the mark sheet to the end and name it to quarter 1. I'll right click the sheet, move or copy, then move to end and create a copy. Okay. March sheet has been copied and I have to rename it as quarter 1. Edit cell A3 to read first quarter enrollment. A3 is here. I'll delete this. Just paste this. First quarter enrollment. Delete the contents of A6 to E11. A6 to E11. Here. I've deleted the contents A6 to E11, so my totals are all zeros. Here. Okay, so what I have to put in those boxes? Click the reference box and click the January tab. Okay, let's see. Click on quarter 1 sheet. A6 to E11, we are here. Right, we'll select it and then click on the consolidate button. Data tools consolidate. Let's see what happens. Data tools consolidate. See, this consolidation means that each and every element in the 3 sheets will be added together and the result will be displayed here. Okay, let's see how it will be. So are we all on this small box of consolidate?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Let's move ahead. We are in data consolidate. And this is the range. And I'll have to select the range as January. From A6 to E11. Okay, in the Jan tab. Click on add. Right. Then delete this. The reference 1. Again, click on February. A6 to E11. Okay, remember, do not take the total, right? Only the content. A6 to E11. Add. Then again delete the reference. Delete the reference means the one which we have to give in the text box, not in the options which are below. Again march. Again A6 to E11 and add. So I have to consolidate these three sheets here, right? And the function is the sum. Okay. And in the left column, to use labels. Okay. So any idea what will it do? After I click on OK, what will happen? Yes. After I click on OK, after I complete the step number 9, what will happen? Yes, ID1. I think 4 students are out. Maybe network issue. It was 32, now it's 26. Yes, anyone? What will happen if I do OK? After giving all the references of the 3 sheets? Hello? Okay, I'll show you. When I click OK, see what I got. You also got the same? You also got the same output after clicking on OK? Okay, I'll wait for 2 minutes for your answer. She has left the meeting. Okay, Kshitij. You can avoid the styles, the borders and styles that you can do later on. Only concentrate on the data part. Right now, on which steps you are in, Kshitij? You are on which step? Okay, let's wait for 5 minutes. Any other student who has done it and has got the result same as mine? Okay, I'm just starting with the consolidation. Okay, fine. Any other student? Because this consolidation is the final step. We are done with this assignment. So I need to show you one more assignment which is based on the same consolidation only. If you have any query with this, please let me know.
So can you show the consolidation part again?
Okay, fine. Let's do it again. Okay, till what you have understood? Can you tell me?
I want the dialog box of consolidate in data tools.
Okay, let's do it again. Let's delete EA6, EA6 to E11. Okay, I'll go on data, consolidate. Then I'll just 1 second. I'll have to delete these things because it comes from the history which I have done already. Okay, now it's blank. I'll select A6 to E11. Then I'll have to provide the reference from where I need to pick up the data to consolidate, right? So my first reference is I'll click on January and I'll select A6 to E11. Same structure. January A6 to E11 has come here. I'll do an add. Okay, so January sheet has been added in my list. Second, I'll
So
do
what did you
February
do
sheet.
after selecting January 6 to 11? Like
I'll
how
click
did
on
it
add.
come down? Okay.
Yeah. After selecting the sheet, I will do an add so that all the sheets are added together in one box. I'll select February sheet and I'll click on add. Then I'll delete this old reference over here and I'll do the March sheet.
Sir, you did that from A5.
Oh, I'll just
The
change it. Thank
the
you so
pre
much.
the previous one too.
Yeah. I'll just change it. And A5, I'll delete it. Okay. Now, okay. January A6 to E11, February A6 to E11, March A6 to E11. And then I'll click on left column. Left column means it will do the totals as per your class name, which is the criteria. Why total? Because we are selecting sum over here. If you select count, average, maximum, minimum, it will take that particular function and it will do as per the calculation you give. So we done with the consolidation. See, I again got the output over here. You understand this
Sir, I got the
consolidation?
output, but it is in the wrong place. It's from A16 to E21.
A16.
I think do I have to select it before I do all this?
Yes, obviously. I had selected the values here, fields. And
Like
also
select the
written,
empty fields.
yes, you select the empty fields.
Okay, I'll do it again.
Yeah, sure. I'll wait for 2 minutes, rather 3 minutes.
Yes,
What
sir,
did
done.
you, so you got the output right, same as mine.
Yeah,
Nice, nice. So exactly what it is doing. Can any one of you tell me?
it's taking the logic from the other three sheets
What
and putting
logic?
it here,
Okay, what is the logic?
summing everything up.
Like how? It is summing. See, it will go on the January sheet. It will take for balance for seniors, right? Or eat for health. It will take one criteria at one time. So eat for health, week one, which is 10. Then
It is
February,
doing January plus February plus March.
yes, it is giving total of all the sheets, all the months as per the criteria and week that way. January eat for health 10 plus February eat for health 2, which is 12, plus March eat for health week 1, which is 5. 12 plus 5, which is 17. So do we have 17 over here? Yes, we have. Same for other weeks. So this is a small trick how to consolidate the data between the three sheets. But remember the structure should be the same for all the three. Okay. And let's see what is the last step here. It is saying some sorting, right? Let's do it. Select sheets A6 to E11 and sort and filter. Choose sort A to Z. Okay. But on which column? Sort A to Z is here. But on which column? B1. Think I did not take the header, right? Let's see. I think sorting by week 1. B1 we cannot select the sorting. B1 is the header, title. Let's see what is in the screenshot. 70, 70, 70. Yes, it is sorting with the week 1. Okay. It is sorting using the week number here. Right. So if you see the output in the PDF is same as in the Excel, which I have achieved. All right. It is the same. Balance for seniors, eat for health, energy healing, yoga. Yoga is down. I think it has double sorted with the class also, but you can do it as well. I select sort. First level of sorting is this, and second level of sorting is just do add level. Second level is this. Yeah, see, I got it. Okay, the output matches and our total also matches 598. Okay, so this is how you have to do. Understood this small assignment? practice session assignment. So we are done with the Hamilton assignment. Let's start with the Wilson assignment. Are we all on the same page? Yes, no answer. No, yes answer. Anything? I know you might be sleepy, but it's like a game. Ritesh has gone. Okay, left. Yes, any other student is there who has done it or doing it? Arushi, Abhinav, Ajay, Animesh, Aryan, Darshan, Devansh, Dikshit, Gunawant, Harshida, Jash, Julie, Mansi, Nikhil, Palak, Paraj, Sabyasachi, Sahil, Samyak, Sanida, Sayali, Shreya, Kshitij, Simran, Dikshit, Tushar. Who else? Okay, no issue, Kshitij. At least you are responding, right? Who else? Who other student is doing? Okay, Darshan has done. Who else? So I have no queries, right? Any queries, please let me know. What about others? Simran, Shriya, Ajay understood, okay. Palak, Julie, Jash, Harshida, what about others? Rishika, I think Rishika is not there in the list today. Network issue. Okay, fine. Okay, then you have understood the Wilson
Sir, will
assignment.
all this be in the VBA exam?
VBA, it will be after, one or two assignments more. Because I first want to know that you know the basics thoroughly. And the same thing how we will do in VBA, I'll show you in the next one or two assignments.
No, sir, like will this type of question be given in the VBA exam at the end of the semester?
Yeah, let's see. It will be a mixed one. Let's see how we'll plan it out, that way. Because I have to follow the guidelines of IAQS. They have given me
Because
the question paper pattern. Let's see how it will be. Because the thing is, if I tell you to make a VBA program, then each one of you will submit that program, and then I have to check 34 files. Thing is that doing that exercise is not a big thing, but I'll have to spend my time checking all the 34, 40 files which you give me, each and every program. So that thing I have just twisted it, that I told them let student only present his own program. You know, at the start, which I have given you one assignment on Tuesday, I want to see how you do it and how you present it. So it will involve all three, four skills: presentation skills, communication skills, how you manage the particular project, in what way. Everything will be seen in that in just 2 minutes. The same thing which I do for you. You have to do for me. Same thing.
No, sir, I meant that will you, this is not really concerned with VBA. What we did right now, this assignment, it's not, we are not coding VBA in it. So, will there be sums in the exam where we won't need to code VBA and we'll have to just do Excel operations?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Next step is VBA only. I only
No, will
wanted,
do
yes.
we have such questions in the exam where we don't have to apply VBA codes and just like this assignment where we did not have to apply VBA codes?
Okay, that
So,
that you're asking. No, it will be a mix, total mix, full Excel.
so like, can there be questions where we just have to like do what we did here, like consolidation and
Yes,
not
yes,
through
yes,
VBA?
yes. Of course, it will be a total mix. VBA plus this plus that, everything will be a mix. I'll give you data. In fact, if you want to learn how to prepare the data, you can do that also. For example, making a attendance sheet. You know, how many classes you have attended, what is the ratio of yes and no, present and absent, then making a graphs, each and everything. Here, what is happening is I am giving you the data, right? But tomorrow, if you go into some company, if you do your own business, you will have to make your own Excel file, you will have to make your own report. How will you make it? You got it? For example, if you do a business of cars, then how many cars you have sold, what is your sales target, all those things. In that, you will need to prepare your own data that way. And sometimes you will need to automate it also. Automation means VBA. So it will be a blend of everything. This is just step by step because I want to know how much you have understood and how much you can reciprocate, how much you can, present it. This is just the starting. Many more things are yet to come in the way. Well, it's all interconnected. You have the data, then you make the pivot, then you make the graph, and then you apply some VBA logic in it to automate it. It's all interconnected together, right? Clear, Sitish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to make it a bit interesting for you. That is why I'm going very slow. And I want you all to understand the thing also. We have ample amount of time, no worries. 2 or 3 more weeks we will take, 2, 3 lectures. Okay, so we all are done with this assignment. So let's move ahead. We are done with Hamilton. Let's move ahead with Wilson. You all have file of Wilson, right? Let me take out the raw data. Let me open the PDF, instruction manual. Let's go down. It's saying files needed, Wilson XLX. Yes, I have it over here. I'll open it. This is the file. Then next, same, group the worksheets, create consolidation, inserting a picture, inserting a hyperlink, and everything. Encrypt a book with the password. Everything will learn here. Let's see. Open the Wilson file. First is group all the worksheets. Before grouping, I will check whether the format of each worksheet is the same. Yes, it's almost the same. So I'll group all the one worksheets, right click the sheet and group all, select all. Click the alignment tab as center, select A1 to B2. Click it as center. Click merge and center. Let's merge one by one. Okay. Then the margins we can set. All these are styling. So we'll not go into styling much. I'm okay with the sheet. We'll not go into styling. We'll proceed. Select cash flow sheet. Okay. I'll ungroup it. Let's see. On the step 4, select
Sir, what
cash
have we
flow.
done on this sheet till now?
I did not do anything. I only grouped all the sheets and I only did the center here. Merge and center.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So in all the sheets, it's merge and center if you see together. Because I'm not doing much into the styling because there are lots of styles here, margins and everything. I hope you know how to set page margins, right? In the page layout option,
Yeah, yeah.
you have margins, then orientation, portrait or landscape. These all are for printing purposes. Then sizes, what size you want, A4, A3. As you all know about it, I'll not go much into deep about it. If anyone has any query, you can ask me later on. Okay. So let's continue without taking tension of styles. Let's only concentrate on the data. Then it's cash flow here. This might be interesting because it involves a little bit of financial calculation. Okay, select cells B4 to B12. Okay, B4 to B12, not the total. Right. Use sum to consolidate the data from the location C. Same thing. See, consolidate, choose all the sheets and choose sum. Same. Select B4 to B12, data, consolidate. I got this tab. I'll select this and just I'll select B4 to B12. Okay, just the numbers. I click on add. Then I'll click on add. Because I know that my data is the same in all three sheets. Then I click on add. Okay. And I'll just click on OK. Remember, do not click on left column. Left column, why? Because we are only choosing one column. See, I got sum of all the three sheets over here. Right? If I have to see how 1000 came over here, Then cash paid for inventory for Fiora is 450 plus for campaign is 0. Blank means 0. Yes, blank means 0. Then for Rockford, it is 550. So 450 plus 550 is 1000. Let's do 450 plus 550 equal to 1000. So we got our subtotal for all the sheets in B4 to B12. Okay. Are we all done with the subtotal in B4 to B12? Okay. Are we all done or only Kshitij has done? Okay. If no answer, then I will continue. Then let's go further. Okay, we are done with the subtotals. Then let's see what next. Insert a picture from the file. So the same subtotal we need to do below also. Same process for B15 to B21. Same thing. Right here it is. Build the same static data for this section B15 to B21. Same. Let's do it. Data consolidate. I have selected B15 to B21. Consolidate. So here there is a trick. I can remove all three and then select it again, or I can just write here. I cannot edit it. Okay, so I can just write here B15 to B21. Then click on add. Then I will have to delete this B4 to B12. Into B21, click on add, then delete B4 to B12, right? And Rockford. B15, B21, click on add, and delete B4 to B12. Okay. So I got total of all my values and as per the criteria. Okay, the data of all three sheets has been consolidated. Let's see what next it's saying. Insert a picture of the file, contents of A1, click cell D2, pictures. Okay, let's see. Let's click on D1 or D3 maybe. Insert picture. I have sent you an image file also, or you can choose your own image file, no problem. Image file says whes.jpg. I'll just insert it. Right, this is the logo of the Wilson system. I'll just copy it in all the sheets. So this means that inserting the image. Okay, I have copied the same image in all the sheets. Then you can do some styles on it, on the picture. In the brightness, contrast, everything you can do. Height, width. You will get such a output like this. If you put the picture above. Okay, I put the picture on the right. Yes, so now what's left for us to do? These all are zeros. So I think you can put zeros over here where there are blanks. Just put 0, then you will get a dash. Just to avoid the blank values, I am just putting 0. Okay, so this is also 0. Okay, so now we have to do this cell, which is B24. Let's see what it has for us. Cash balance at the beginning of the quarter. Cash balance at the beginning of the quarter is here. This B24 and this B24. It did not add the B24 together, right? So what will I do is, I'll just add it up. Add the B24s together. And let's see if our value matches with the value in the PDF. Right? Same. Consolidate. Now it has got this. So I'll just put a formula here equal to Fiora B24 plus campaign B24 plus Rockford B24 and just do enter. And I got the value, which is 113564. And this same value will match with your C 113564. Same. So each and every amount and figure is matching here, and our assignment is perfect. Okay. And the blanks I have put zeros. So my table is filled. Okay. And one step which is there, it's a hyperlink. You know how to put a hyperlink in any cell? Hyperlink is here. Let's see. Select C3 on Piora worksheet. C3 is here. A3, C3 is here. Right, total cash flow over here. Okay, I'll increase the cell height. Then which is to A1 on the cash flow. Then right click cell C3. Okay, and choose to copy from menu, select champagne hyperlink cell 3. So which cell it is taking? taking in T. Okay. Any cell I can link to any cell, right? Your hyperlink, right click, hyperlink. I can choose current folder, browse pages, recent files, place in this particular document where I want to link it to, Peora, and the cell reference as C3 it was, correct? I click it, see Peora C3, it will go here. You want to see my cursor is here in Peora. I click it, it goes here. Okay. So in this assignment, we have learned how to do subtotals of each and every section and also link it to the other sheet, data hyperlink, along with inserting the picture in the Excel. Right? We can do much more in this. We can make a pivot. We can do the sortings. We can do the graphs. We can do much more. But I want you to try it at your end. What many things you can do to make it look good. Right? I can make a graph also like this. I will select the particular section. I'll go to insert. I'll go to graph. Column graph, pie graph, bar graph, whichever graph I need. See. So graphs are used for representation purposes, and we can create our own ideas basically. How to manage particular sheet in what way and how to present the data to the other person. Okay. This is what I want to see from you in the assignment on Tuesday. How will you present the data? In what way? And this graph is used to analyze, plan our things if the targets are not met, or even if the targets are met. Okay. Understood both the assignments? Any queries in any part? Because we are done for today. It is read only, it is not allowing me to save. Okay, I'll override. No problem. Done. Tuesday. Tuesday you will need to do the gardens assignment and you need to present it for 2 minutes and show what have. Yes, each and every student. Each and every student will have to do it. I think we have 2 hours and we are only 25 of us, 30 of us. So dividing 120 minutes into 30. Let's see. 120 divided by 30. 4 minutes. One student can take 4 minutes maximum. Contact you meaning you have my email ID, right? Any queries, you have my email ID. You can just drop me a mail. Simple. Yes, good. Any query, you can drop me a mail, right? I'm in IAQS only. I'll not go outside IAQS. So you can contact anyone. Ayushi Madam, Gansham Sir, anyone or any faculty also you can tell, give the message that I want to reach this to so and so, that way. Okay, so any doubts in the assignment, or we are good to go close the class for today? Just the attendance part. I will take the attendance. Any doubts in the assignment? Please do not keep the doubts with you. Please throw it at me so that I'll solve it for you.
Sir, like, because from Monday, the college is going to be compulsory offline. We are all
Okay.
I am moving right now. Like today, I'll be leaving and I'll be reaching Mumbai tomorrow night, and setting up my PG and stuff. It'll take Sunday, Monday, 2 days. So by
Oh,
submitting
you
my
are
tuition,
not in Mumbai. You are where? You are outside Mumbai right now.
yes, sir. I'm in Bangalore right now, so it'll be
Okay.
hard to do it on Tuesday for me.
It's just one page assignment.
And I don't really have time, sir. I'll be leaving right now, so
Okay.
I'll be reaching night only.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir. So
That
I'll do it in the class after Tuesday, whenever it is.
yeah, no problem.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
You can at least read the PDF, right? You have the PDF, one page.
Yes,
You
sir.
can just
Yes, sir.
read it. While
Okay,
even
sir.
if you travel, you can take the PDF in your phone and
Yes,
just
sir.
read it.
That I'll do, sir.
Yeah, and you can understand what is in the assignment. That you can do.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. In few cases, we can avoid it. But I
So
think
the
out of 27, 28 students, at least maximum assignment should come. That,
submission is on Tuesday, right?
yes, on Tuesday. Submission will be done by the student, means you only, and it will be online. It will not like just put
Yes, sir.
the
Yes.
file. Yes, it will be presentation along with the file, both. Actually, this trick I had learned from my mentor only, because when I was doing my computers MCA, what we used to do normal, we used to copy some other file and then put it. But my mentor told that I want to judge you. I want to see how much the assignment you understood that way. Otherwise, if I copy some other's file and put it, that means I do not know my own assignment. Yes, portion for our this semester is done. Anything is missed, Julie? Anything you're saying nothing is missed means the portion is done. Because I taught you from Excel basics, remember? From basics till the advanced VLOOKUPs, then till the VBA, macros, each and every topic I went very slowly, and today it's almost the 14th day. I think in the 14th day and each day 2 hours. I think it's 28 to 30 hours of teaching. I think it's now your turn to reflect, right? In the next class, I will share the games file with you later on. Okay, so let's complete the attendance quickly because it's already 9:23. So let's start. Abhinav here. Not there. Okay, Abhinav Sharma. Ajay Randa.
Yes.
Sir Abhinav is present. He is having some
अरे वो
Which
issues
Abhinav? Iyer or Sharma?
शर्मा sir.
Okay. Alia, Animesh,
Present, sir.
Ansh, Aryan,
Present, sir.
Darshan,
Present, sir.
Devansh,
Present, sir. And sir,
Dikshit.
Abhinav Iyer
Yes.
also wrote in the chat that he's present.
Josh is joining right now after the class is over. I'll not take his attendance right now. Was he before Josh? I don't recollect. Dikshit, Dashti, Gunawant. I'd seen Gunawant in the list. Yeah, he's there, but he's not responding. What to do? Mark present or what? Harshida,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Trusty is present.
Ishika, not there. Fine. Just Rati,
Sir, Dikshit Jain present.
just Rati, just Datani, present. Okay. Just Punatar,
Present, sir.
okay. Julie is there, yes. Kshitij is there. Vadia, Mansi,
Present, sir.
Nikhil,
Present, sir.
Palak, Paraj,
Present, sir. Palak has written in the chat box.
Tanvi, Priyanshu,
Yes, sir, present.
Rachita, Rishika. Rishika was there. Okay. Rohil,
Present.
Sabyasachi is there.
Present.
Rama. Sahil, Minocha, Sahil Shah,
Present, sir.
Samyak is there. Sanida,
Present, sir.
Ayali,
Yes, sir.
Priya. Okay. She has spoken to me. Simran. I think Simran I've seen, but I don't know. She does not talk. Still Simran is there. Don't know what to put. Dikshit,
Present, sir.
Tushar,
present sir.
and Arushi.
Present, sir.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Have a nice weekend. Tomorrow there is a off, right? Shivaji Jayanti. So
Yes, sir.
let's meet on Tuesday. And any doubts, just email me. Yeah, I'll stop the recording and we are good to go. Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.